Your next car could be the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, keyless start, premium sound system, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Whether you're looking for a versatile connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.